Welcome back to the YouTube channel, PMF Speed Shop. So I did a thing, guys. I got a van camper RV. So I figured I'd give you guys a little tour. It's my newest project. So it's a 1985 Lindy RV, I think 22 foot. It's got 56,000 miles on it. And I'll give you guys a little tour here. This is pretty much exactly how I got it. As it is. I haven't did a single thing to it. The guy said it was sitting for 2 years, which, you know how that is. I think it was more, I found receipts from 2015, so I think it's been sitting for more like 7 years. But he charged up the battery and put some fresh gas in it, started right up. So give you a tour here. This thing just purrs too. She's got the small block 350, 4-bolt main. I found a receipt. It says the transmission was fully redone at 23,000 miles. It has 56, so it only has 23 on the trans. It's definitely gonna need some work. The door doesn't want to really close properly. It's kind of it's kind of messed up, and it was working fine when I went and got it, but when I got it home, I swung it open and it hit this latch here and it broke. The metal piece that was glued on there fell off and the wind caught it, but the screen door works. It's got this little guy here. I mean, everything works in this thing. From what I was told, it's got rooftop AC. It's got a pretty cool layout. It's got a bed back here, which I think also turns into a table. He had the plywood and a futon mattress on here. I haven't took the plywood out yet. Like I said, it's pretty much exactly how I got it. You got your kitchen here, stove. You got your fridge on this side. I found all this up here, campground directory for the entire United States and a map of New York. So this unit was from New York, and then they would drive it to Florida every year. Extremely well cared for rig. It does have a couple areas. Got checked everywhere for moisture and rot. And it's pretty, not bad. I mean, I've seen a lot worse for 1985. The bathroom, I've seen there's a little water damage up there in this area. I believe that it's these rooftop vents that leak or need to get sealed up a little bit better. So when I looked up at the roof, it's got like an aluminum roof on there, and somebody just siliconed the out of everything. But haven't really did anything to it yet. You know, I don't know exactly what we're gonna do with it. I haven't decided yet. It's got the overhead, and this is where her main issue is, I guess. So I think that this front window is leaking up here. So somebody was already in here and replaced a bunch of wood and tried to seal it up, but they didn't do the best job. What's up, Jimmy?
What are you doing?
Making a YouTube video. Showing off the new unit. What do you think? And this turns into a bed over here.
It does.
Um, so we're gonna fully renovate it. Another feature that I liked about this is it's got the generator. So I can run this thing. I need to work on this rear corner. Something's messed up with that. Somebody backed into something. Yeah, this is my new project.